Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and its function is thought and action. Frontal lobe. The frontal lobe is associated with reasoning, planning, parts of speech, movement, emotions, and problem solving. Parietal lobe. The parietal lobe is associated with movement, orientation, recognition, and perception of stimuli. Occipital lobe, associated with vision processing. Temporal lobe, associated with perception, recognition of auditory stimuli, and memory and speech. Cerebellum, associated with regulation and coordination of movement, posture, and balance. Thalamus. The thalamus has sensory and motor functions. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus controls homeostasis, emotion, thirst, hunger, circadian rhythms, and control of autonomic nervous system. Amygdala. The amygdala is involved with memory, emotion, and fear. Hippocampus. The hippocampus is important for learning, memory, recalling short-term memory, and permanent memory. Brainstem. The brainstem controls breathing, heartbeat, and blood pressure. Midbrain. Controls vision, hearing, eye movement, and body movement. Pons. Pons are involved with motor control and sensory analysis. Medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata controls the vital body functions like breathing and heart rate. Wernicke's area. Wernicke's area helps the body formulate and understand speech. Broca area. Broca area controls facial neurons, understanding speech, and language. Sensory cortex. The sensory cortex takes information that is received and uses it to figure out how the various parts of the body are moving. Motor cortex. The motor cortex controls and monitors movement throughout the body. Lateral ventricle. The lateral ventricle keeps the CSF circulating. Fourth ventricle. The fourth ventricle forms a central canal of the spinal cord and protects the brain from trauma. Fun facts. When awake, the human brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. 60% of your brain is fat. It only takes 6 minutes for your brain cells to react to alcohol, and your brain keeps developing into your late 40s.